Tunay po na ang Panginoon ay napakabuti sa bawat sa atin. Na sa kabila ng iba't ibang karanasan, narito po tayo, tinipon ng Panginoon upang saksihan ang pag-iisang dibdib ng dalawang magkasintahan.
Di ako
My dearest Randall, my honey, my love, so sweet. I still remember the first time we met. It was one rainy weekend. And suddenly sabi mo sa akin, pupuntahan mo ako nun. Hindi ako naniniwala na napupunta ka talaga kasi sabi mo masakit yun saan mo at nag-LBM ka. Tapos ako naman, galing ako sa 24-hour duty, pagod na pagod, halos walang energy. Hindi nga ako gumagayak noon because I wasn't expecting you to actually come. But you did. You traveled all the way from Pampanga to Bulacan just to see me.
nagsinining, di magsasawang sa'yo lang titingin.
Na-amaze ako kasi laging, parang kung magiging asawa na nga siya, sabi ko, wow, parang ang swerte ko. Tsaka yung una-una sa lahat yun, parang mas inilapit niya ako kay God.
Di ko na tatago ang aking nararamdaman.
To the love of my life, mula nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, nabago na yung kaisipan ko na tatanda na lang ako mag-isa, magbabantay ako ng pamangkin. Magpabalaki ng pamangkin at gagala saan mang sulok ng mundo. Pero mula nang dumating ka sa buhay ko, natutunan kong mas mahalin ang bawat araw. You are my home, my peace, and my greatest blessing.
Pero nung dumating siya, nagbago din yung pananaw ko sa buhay kasi syempre, meron na akong siya at kung magkakaanak kami, may pamilya na rin kami.
May pagpaliban ang pagkako ng kanta. Pagka kasi maglaho pa.
You're so beautiful today, Mother.
Oh, you're so pogi. Don't forget my Gcash.
Pahiram mo na ng iyong tenga. Hayaan mong yakapin kita sa pamamagitan.
Do you remember? It was a rainy day. Tulad ngayon. Lunes din yon. Tulad ngayon. And today marks the 35th week since the day we met. Who would have thought that an ordinary rainy day would become the beginning of the most beautiful chapter of my life?
Kung buhay mo ako habang buhay ko
You have seen every version of me. The happy me, the tired me, the stubborn me, the emotional me, the complicated me, and somehow, you still choose me. And today, I promise to choose you too. Even on the day that tests us, even when we're tired, frustrated, or when we don't see things the same way, I will keep choosing you.
di ko na tatago ang aking nararamdaman. Buhay ay hindi wasto kapag ika'y hindi hagdan. Lahat ng tinig ay sintunan.
The moment I knew I couldn't imagine my life without you was when I realized my future had slowly started, including you in every picture. You became the calm in my chaos and the light in my darkest days. Because of you, I became braver, softer, and more myself than I had ever been.
Happy sintonado.
Pinapangako ko na aalagaan ka, gaya ng pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Papakinggan ka gaya ng lagi mong pakikinig sa akin. At mamahalin ka ng buong buo gaya ng pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin. Sa saya man o sa hirap. At pangako, kahit ikaw ang laging tama. Kasi ako lagi sa left, ikaw always right. Tandaan mo, mamahalin pa rin kita.
Kahit wala naman na si Papa, kung, ayun, alam ni Papa na hindi ko pababayaan si Ma'am.
Masaya ako. Naiyak lang ako kasi na-miss ko yung papa niya kasi baby niya.
Itig sa iyo ang tahimik ng paligid.
Pag-aasawa ay hindi isang madaling bagay. Kaya kailangan maging serious at maging pasensyosa.
Nandito kami ni Mami, full support kami parati sa iyo.
Pa ito
Binigay ka sa panahon na hindi na ako nagdadasal na magkaroon pa ng lalaki sa buhay ko. Pero yung parents ko, they said na they never stop praying for me.
sa iyo
I will never forget kung paano ka kinorner ni Mama. Asking you if you really had plans for me, for us. Sabi pa niya, kung wala ka naman plano, hiwalayan mo na. But even then, you didn't hesitate. You were already fair. You were already certain. He knew you had plans for us. And somewhere between our ordinary days, our random conversations, our laughter, our little arguments, and our quiet nights, I slowly realized that you were becoming my forever. I look forward to laughing with you when we're old and gray, waking up beside you years from now, and looking at the same person I choose today. I look forward to laughing at the things that once felt heavy, celebrating the smallest victories, remembering how we started and realized that somehow we made it through every season together.
Today, I give you my heart and my future. Ikaw lang mula noon hanggang kailanman. I love you always.